Samsung A20 features. The Samsung Galaxy A20 is the new weapon of the Koreans to take on Chinese brands. You can get the specification. It is clear that this phone is a mid-range device with 3 GB of RAM that powers Samsung Galaxy A20 to run graphics-heavy games efficiently and so much more. Multitasking is also better with RAM. After a long time, devices like the Galaxy A20 from Samsung that you can trust say it's time for the brand to regain its position taken away by other brands. Devices like Samsung Galaxy A20 are made for people like us who want a quality product at a fairly reasonable price. Samsung A20 launched with Exynos 7884 chipset. With this brand develops and with this chipset you will get an octa-core processor with a clock speed of 1.35 GHz. The internal storage of Galaxy A20 will be 32 GB and as always the phone also comes with a dedicated SD card slot capable of expanding the storage of Samsung A20 has 512 GB. A 4000 mAh battery is also standard for all devices in this class, keeping your device alive for a whole day. Samsung A20 features are sensors accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, fingerprint, audio 3.5 mm audio jack, MP3, MP4 and much more. 265 player, speakerphone, browser HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IMS games, built-in plus downloadable are also awesome. It also has a torch. Extra active noise cancellation with a dedicated mic, ANT plus port, a photo video editor, a document viewer, and a battery capacity on non-removable 4000 mAh. This smartphone has a fingerprint sensor and Infinity V display Super AMOLED 6.4 inches. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.